Hey, what's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet. Thank you for tuning back in. I really appreciate all the support. I'm starting to get a few comments here and there. I definitely appreciate that. I love your input. I will respond every time because I said you know, you watch a lot of these videos and um, within the cryptocurrency space in general, and you think that, man, everybody knows about all these cryptocurrencies. I'm getting in late. I don't think we're in late. I think this is still very, very, very early, and investing now, even just a small amount. I'm not financial advice. I'm a doctor slash idiot. Says you don't have to listen to me, but if it was me, I would say any little investment now will go a very, very long way. But I'm just going to do a quick update today on the video I had before where I switched from bearish to bullish. I really think that Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrencies are going to be on an uptrend. There may be some dips. A lot of these altcoins are hitting new highs, so there's new prices have to be tested, and we have to figure out what they're actually worth. Is the fundamentals backing it, or is this just I saw it on TikTok, buy this? Well, on TikTok should be XRP. It's only 20 cents. Invest a couple $100. But then again, do we really want all those little kids being that rich? I don't know. All right, well, let's go ahead and get started. It is 10:55 Texas time, and CoinMarketCap currently has Bitcoin at 93.79, XRP growing right below the 20-cent mark. Cardano, after jumping up to 7, or it was at 6, I believe. Because it's right there. 300 mil, just some chump change. But Cardano is trading at 0.12. Like I said, I think it hit one of its tops here. Hopefully it didn't make another top, which I haven't actually looked at it, so you can't just go off of this price graph, but there's lots of room to go up still. All right, so just to get started, I'm backtracking here, just going back to the big macro trends. This is the monthly candle chart on Bitcoin here to US dollar, and if we look all the way back, let me go ahead and hide these two, don't need to see that. These are my little drawings that I had in my, what do you call those, thumbnails, which I don't really know how to make. But there's our long resistance line. This here is our another long resistance line that we haven't been able to beat, just because these were the tops and actual highs of these candlesticks. I have this one here showing that most of the bodies and the actual price that we want that it's traded in, not just the quick 10-second breakouts, that we are right at the edge of these lines. And why I was saying now we're running out of time for something to switch. It has to happen here very, very soon, within the next couple months at the latest. I think we're within like 1 to 2 weeks, but we also have very, very good support here on the bottom, and hopefully we don't follow this reverse head and shoulders and these ascending descending channels and all the different things that you can find in analysis. Just wanted to show you that right here we are in this tight area, but we are kind of starting to show that we may have turned this one resistance line into a support, meaning we're making way into this breakout. This is the monthly chart, so we still have 22 days left before we will close this candle. But just to keep an eye out on what's been going on and just get an idea, what if this is a big W here and this is the launch pad before we take off. But to take off, we may have to kind of retest this low again, right? Who knows? So if we just move into the daily candle chart, this is the one that I've been really looking at because it has the 50 SMA and the 20 EMA. And the thing that's still making me very, very, very bullish is we still have of course, our increase in the MACD, or uptrend. We have an uptrend on the RSI, and we're not in any overbought, oversold territory right now. So this is saying that we are in the good. But the biggest thing is we are actually testing this 50 simple moving average no longer as resistance, but it is now turned into a support. We completely overdid that one trend line, which is actually the 2.5-year trend line, but it's still, we have to actually close this candle here above it for sure, and that's going to take another rest of the day to do that. But if we stay above that, I still stay very, very bullish. I was looking into the cross here, and I don't know what I was thinking. There's lots of crosses that have happened with this specific 50 SMA and the 20 EMA. There have been a couple fake outs included with it, but it's been a very, very good indicator that when it does cross, something is going to happen. So we'll see. I also saw one that said that on the 2-day candlestick chart, it's happened every time and been perfect. I'll try and find the video and send the link out if I can. But then just zooming in just a little bit more, on the daily chart, we can see that that mark is right above it. So if we stay above this, I think we'll retest this horizontal ray I put on, where is it at? Yep, right here, this 97.94, and then potentially go up a little bit higher. I don't have it on this one. But the next thing would be the 9,800 mark here, and of course the 10,000 and 10.5, which we have not been able to do long term. So as far as some Bitcoin news, we have here that this is from Cointelegraph. It says 2 hours ago, but I swear I heard about it a little earlier, or at least saw it on Twitter. But Bitso hits 1 million users as crypto adoption spikes in Latin America. Ripple and Coinbase back cryptocurrency exchange Bitso. It's my favorite part. I absolutely love XRP. And to see that pretty much everything is running on Ripple's blockchain, and everything that they're doing to support the XRP ledger, on-demand liquidity, everything like that. It's this news here, it's like, yay, Bitcoin, go Bitcoin, but in the back there's Ripple going, yeah, we couldn't have done it without us, we're kind of important here. So basically, this new exchange has been doing a magnificent, I can't cuss, I forget, it's been doing awesome. And where was it at? It's just saying that Latin America is one of the most active markets in crypto. There's a thing saying exactly how much money went through the actual exchange. Sorry, I'm scrolling around. But, here it is. That according to the data from CoinDance, which was on July 7th, Argentina traded 92 Bitcoin on local Bitcoins. The biggest amount traded on the exchange in Argentina since 2016. And according to this data, that equaled over 100 million Argentine pesos. That sounds like a lot. So, good news for Bitcoin and crypto in general. But in the background, there's Ripple saying, hey, we were there. And if we go down, it actually said exactly who attended from Ripple. But maybe I already passed that. Here it is. Santiago Alvarado, Director of Cross-Border Payments at Bitso, discussed the latest developments in leveraging crypto for cross-border payments in Latin America during a Utilize panel on July 8th. So sometime today, this discussion was joined by Ripple's Director of Product, Craig DeWitt, and I guess Prism's Group, Reed Cataldo. But that's awesome. Again, everything's happening in the background for XRP and, David Schwartz, Brad Garlinghouse, the whole crew. They are really, really good. But just to check out XRP, we are at 20 cents right here. There's not really much to say. We've been trading in this sideways overall downtrend. Things right now in the temporary look good, up, positive strength. Of course, all the altcoins and everything have been doing pretty good. The MACD, it shows that we have a progressing towards bullish, increase in the MACD. But if we go over here to this one, I just did kind of a short-term analysis on the daily. We've been in a descending channel here. We are entering into this ascending broadening wedge. This could be a good or a bad thing. It really depends on if we come back and test this line. If we come back and test the lower support of this ascending wedge, that tends to be where we're in a correction, right? And we just haven't decided where the correction is. I don't really trade much on the short term when it comes to XRP. If I have extra money, some money goes to XRP. It's as easy as that. I love it. I'm going to hold on to it. I have an exit strategy for different prices, which I said I'm going to get out as soon as possible so other people can, take that, build on it, do whatever they want. But, in the short term, we can see where it could go. We have tons of different lines that we can draw that'll show long-term points that we need to beat. So let's just pick, so here'd be a good one right about here. So right around 50 cents would be one resistance we would have to beat, and then another one that showed pretty good would probably be around 34, and I think I've seen some other YouTubers say the 34-cent range is going to be something to beat, but I'm still thinking to go, I got to get a little bit lower than that before I think about that one. I think we're going to have to figure out how to get above 23 to 24 cents before we start going from there. But in the end, I think XRP just hasn't been told what its value is yet, and we're just going to have to wait and see. But I also covered a couple of scams in my video earlier today, and what do you know? If we go over to my YouTube, holy shit, we've got this guy. That's the guy from Ethereum, right? He's pretty big, right? Let's see, he's giving away Ethereum. This is bullshit. Do not fall for this crap. I'm gonna report this now. I just wanted to record this on stream or on my video here so you could see. This guy is not doing this at all. So the Vitalik Buterin is getting shit on right now, and this sucks because that guy is brilliant. Look at him, he's a little egghead guy. He's brilliant, but this is a scam. So please do not fall for this. Do whatever you can to find these, block them. Oh shit! I'm gonna go back and shit. Well, good thing it's on all 3 of my pages here. That's wonderful. All right, I know one of these things is report as spam or misleading. All right, well, that does it for me today. I want to come back tomorrow to give you an update on any news I find. You know, if I can't go to sleep, I'll do it again tonight. But thank you so much for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Comment on the videos. Argue with me. Tell me I'm wrong. Said I love doing this. I literally just watch my crap all day, even when I'm at work. So, all right, until next time, take it easy.